If you want glass skin, but you're a beginner and you're confused with the AHAs, the BHAs, the retinol, and thousands of options that are available in the market, this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to show you one brand, 3 different kind of products, 4 steps how anyone can achieve some semblance of glass skin. This is a pure beginner-friendly routine, so you don't want to miss it. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant, and today we're getting into glass skin for beginners with just 4 products. The brand I'm going to talk about today is Some by Me. If you follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, you have seen how much I have spoken about a particular range from this product, from this brand, but today I'm going to talk about other ranges that I have tried, and let's get into it. Before we do, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. I create new content every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday. Now, Some by Me has multiple products. They literally have a product for every issue, but today in this video we're going to look at 3 broad issues. Number 1, most common, oily, acne prone skin, or even skin which is kind of dry but is acne prone, or if you have acne which is a combination of cystic acne and comedonal acne. What do you use? Now, the product I'm going to show you, the first thing that I recommend is the Some by Me AHA, BHA, PHA 30-day miracle kit. You can see it right here. Now, this miracle kit is a fantastic, or this whole idea of having kits, I think, is a great thing that a brand can do, because this allows you to actually test out a product by paying very little. This kit has a soap, a toner, a serum, and a moisturizer. While this is supposed to be a 30-day kit, it doesn't last you for 30 days. It kind of lasts you for about, say, 2.5 weeks if you're using everything morning and evening. But this is super affordable, at least here in the GCC countries, super affordable. I tried this product sometime last year. So during that time of the month, I have hormonal acne breakouts, and that is when I switch up my routine to using these products. I don't have the kit with me right now, but I have the full-size products. This is the toner, this is the serum, and these are 2 of my most favorite products from Some by Me AHA PHA Miracle Kit. Obviously, if you are a person who has acne, who has comedonal bumps, if you are acne prone, this is something I 100% recommend to you. And now, why is this kit beginner friendly? Boy, it is very beginner friendly, because when you say AHAs, BHAs, PHAs, don't get scared. This has been very mildly formulated, so the concentration is low enough for everyday use. The way I recommend using this kit is as follows. In the morning, use the cleanser and use the cream followed by a sunscreen. In the PM, you can use all 4, which is the cleanser, the toner, the serum, and the cream that comes in this kit. Now, remember one thing, this serum has AHAs and BHAs, so you don't want to be layering this with your retinol, you don't want to be layering this even with your vitamin C. This is a kit I have recommended to over 50 people, and I have seen real before and after changes. It takes time to work, so this is not a spot correcting treatment. So this is not a product that you will just put and it'll shrink your pimple overnight. No, it doesn't do that. This works at your skin health from an overall level. And even though this is ideal for people who have oily acne skin or oily acne prone skin, this works very well for my dry skin with acne, and I'll tell you why. Because what I do is, at the night time, in addition to the Some by Me AHA BHA moisturizer, if my skin feels tight, I layer on another gentle moisturizer like a Cetaphil. So you have to just tailor it according to your skin. But boy, if you have acne, if you have acne prone skin, if you have any of these issues, I highly recommend that you go ahead, get this kit. Just today morning, a follower of mine who I've been consulting with, who I had recommended this kit to, sent me her pictures. And because I have the earlier pictures, when I see a before and after, it is so gratifying for me as a content creator, because I can genuinely see it working on people. And her skin type was not oily, her skin type was dry and acne prone, and she had really severe cystic adult acne. So this is the first product that I recommend for you to have glass skin, which is the Some by Me AHA BHA PHA 30-day miracle. In 30 days, guaranteed, I can assure you that your outbreaks will reduce. Because this has AHAs, marks will look a little less. Overall, this is great for your skin, so do give it a go. The second Some By Me product that I'm going to talk about is the Chew Cica kit. It is this one, Snail Chew Cica. Now this is ideal for skin that is super sensitive. So this is an ideal kit for my sisters, for my brothers who have very, very sensitive skin. Anything and everything under the sun seems to break you out. This is going to be your best friend. Now, unlike the kit, which is the Some By Me Miracle Kit, this actually comes with a cleanser, not a soap. So it comes with a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a cream. Honestly, the first thing I finished was the toner, was the serum, because it is so thick and goopy. I think I just overused it and I loved it. Now, the deal with this product and who will it work for is people who have mild rosacea, is people who have extreme dry skin, is people whose skin just looks dull all the time, looks flaky, or even someone who has just recovered from acne and now your skin feels stretched and burnt out. Someone with that skin condition can really benefit from this skincare routine. Like I said, it is 4 steps. It is supremely simple. There is snail mucin in this, which makes it very hydrating for you. Now, if you have oily skin, you can use this because this is hydrating, not oily. If you have dry skin, you can use this because this is hydrating and not oily. However, for me, because I have dry skin, to be very honest, even after I applied the cream, I still felt that my skin needs a little something extra. So I would always go ahead with another night cream on top of it, or I would layer other products. The beauty of this product and why I recommend it so much, at least for those who have sensitive skin, is I know one huge issue for those who have sensitive skin is that minute they start applying actives like an AHA, BHA, PHA, even a mild retinol, their skin just seems to flare up. So what you do is you basically get this kit for yourself. When you have this kit and you're using the products, in between this, you can safely layer your AHAs, your BHAs, your vitamin C, your retinol, any active or any other ingredient like an alpha-arbutin, etc. can go very well with this kit, and which is why I recommend it. But like I said, this is not for people who have active acne. If you have active acne, pimples are coming out every other day, then you know the Miracle Kit is your go-to. But if you just have sensitive skin that is broken, barrier that is compromised, or in general a skin that doesn't seem to accept anything, your skin will accept this one, so give it a go. So the third most commonly asked question is that my skin has no glow, and I have never really understood what that really means. But after seeing a lot of pictures and after having interacted with a community which is 300,000 people strong, I have realized that when people look at their skin and they feel it has no radiance, it has a little bit of discoloration, it is not plump, that is when they feel it has no glow. And the product for glow that has been tested out by exactly 7 people from my community is this. It is the Niacin Some By Me 30-Day Brightening Starter Kit. Now the amazing part about this kit, it is a little different from the others. So it doesn't have a cleanser, okay? You are free to use whatever cleanser you like from the other kits or any other one. This has a toner, a serum, a cream, and a sleeping mask specifically for nighttime use. Now Yuja is basically a really brightening ingredient. It is known to have vitamin C, or it is like a vitamin C. It has the same amount of concentration of brightening ingredients like a vitamin C. It's basically like a lemon or a fruit like that. So it is a vitamin C range. This I feel has worked really well. Now before you go and order this, let me tell you who will it not work for. If you have hyperpigmentation, it will not work for you. If you have melasma, it will not work for you. It will work for you if you have dull skin, if you have a slight amount of discoloration, if you have two-toned skin, and that is very common. Even if you have two-toned skin, this will work for you. The way you use this is you use any cleanser of your choice, preferably based on your skin type. Then you're going to go in with your toner, your serum, and your gel cream in the morning, followed by a moisturizer, and in the PM you're going to use all of this and then your sleeping mask after your moisturizer. The product, the range is very hydrating. It does add a beautiful boost of glow to your face. I have particularly noticed I was testing this out when my acne had settled and I had acne marks, and I was testing this product out, and yes, I did see an improvement even in acne marks, especially the ones that are like PIH, which is post-acne hyperpigmentation. So this is like a great starter kit to get. Now, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have melasma, this is still a great kit to get, because now between these products, you can layer your other products. For instance, after the serum, which is here, the serum of niacin, you can add your alpha-arbutin serum and then use your gel cream followed by a sunscreen. In the PM, you can use all of these and layer your retinol or layer your tranexamic acid or layer your Skinnerin. So this can actually become a really good base product, because what I've noticed when I'm sending out routines to people, it is very confusing. People don't even know what kind of face wash they should get at. And I honestly now have my ready-made answers. If you have oily skin, these are the 5 options. If you have dry, this is the option. If you have combination, this is the option. I have that information available. But what I do see the benefit of using kits like these is that you can actually see the true benefit when you're using stuff from the same range. And because these are gentle products, if you want to add actives to it, if you have a serious concern like hyperpigmentation, melasma, you can add those products if you want. But if you have general discoloration, if you have a little bit of two-toned skin, or if your skin just got so badly tanned that now you're looking a whole different shade, this product can really help you, and this is what I recommend to you. 4 steps to getting glass skin. This is a super simple skincare routine that anyone can follow. Just to recap, you have oily acne prone skin, dry acne prone skin, or you're suffering from cystic and comedonal acne, some by me, AHA, BHA, PHA, 30-day miracle. You have sensitive skin, broken skin barrier, skin that has got rosacea, is always irritated, some by me, snail, True Seeker kit. And if you have skin that has discoloration, not hyperpigmentation, discoloration, two-toned skin, no glow, you will use the Some by Me niacin. Now, if you want a more detailed review on how you can get glass skin in English or in Hindi, here are the 2 videos you should watch. At the end, like always, consider subscribing to the channel and liking my video. I will see you next time. Till then, take great care of your skin. Bye.